Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn merge. Okay, a merge sort algorithm. So merge sort algorithm is a popular divide and conquer algorithm. It divides the input array into halves, recursively sort them, and then merge the sorted halves. Merge sort is efficient for O and log n and stable, good for large dataset without enough memory. Sorry, with enough memory. So divide and conquer strategy. Step 1, we divide the array into two halves. Okay. Conquer each half by recursively sorting them and combine both sorted half using the merge step. We repeat this process until all sub-array contain only one element which are naturally sorted. Then we merge them back into a sorted array. So here you can see we are going to create, we already create merge function. This is the array as an argument, and this is the another argument left for left side. This is for middle, and this is for right side. So L is the left half, and R is the right half. So here I am going to create a temp array. Okay, so left colon mid plus one. Okay, and mid plus one equals to right plus one colon. Okay, mid plus one colon right plus one. So this is the temp array. So first of all we need to initialize index at it in step 2. So I equals to 0, j equals to 0, index I equals to 0, in 0 means it is the index for L. Okay, and j equals to 0, index for R. K equals to left index merge array. So while L is less than, while I is less than L and J is less than R. If L of I is less than equals to R of J, index of L is less than equals to index of R. Okay, now we are going to compare and then merge. Okay, here you can see array of K equals to Li. Okay, here I am going to merge, and after that I need to increase left index I from 1, else array k equals to right half j, and j increase by 1 and k also increase by 1. Step 4, copy remaining element of L. So here you can see while I less than length and array k equals to uh, left half, and here we are going to increase value of I by 1, and k also increase by 1. Okay, so copy and remaining element of R. So j is less than length of R, array k equals to array j. Now j increase by 1 and k also increase by 1. This is the copy and remaining element of L and copy and remaining element of R. So both are same. Okay, here we are going to merging and merging and copying. Here we are going to copying element. And this is for index initialization, and this is for creating function and combine two sorted halves. So you can see like if you have array 2 comma 5 comma 8 comma 1 comma 3 comma 6. Suppose merge array in bracket array comma 0 comma 2 comma 5. Okay, so in left half L equals to 2 5 8 2 comma 5 comma 8, and right half 1 comma 3 comma 7. Merge step, compare 2 and 1. Smaller 1 is smaller, so array equals to 1. Compare 2 and compare 2 and 3. 2 is smaller, so here we need to put 2 in array. Here after that compare 5 and 3, so 3 is smaller, so 5 is here. After that, we need to compare 5 and 7. So 5 is smaller than 5 is here. And after that, I need to compare 8 and 7. So 7 is smaller. So that's why we put it into array here. And left over 8, now array equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide the original array into two parts, L and R, and merge these two sorted sub-array back into array in sorted order. Remaining elements are copied after main merging loop. Okay, so this is the merge function. Now recursive function merge sort. So here define merge sort. This is the array left and right. These are the parameter. If left is less than right, okay, and then we need to calculate middle equals to left plus right divided by 2. So sort the first and second half. So merge sort array left and middle. This is for left and this is for right. Array comma middle plus 1, right, and merge the sorted half. Merge array left middle right, return array. Recursively split array until size 1 become. So merge sort function recursively split the array until size become 1. Then start merging sorting sub array using merge. Test the algorithm. This is the array. We need to print the array, original array, and sorted array equals to merge sort. This is the merge sort function. This one. Here I am going to pass array comma 0. It is the length of from right half. I mean, sorry, left. It is the index from left side, and this is for right side. This is the end index. Okay, so print sorted. Here sorted. So this is the original, and this is the sorted. Work with negative number. So you need to give negative number in list or in array. Here you can see you print original and array 2. So merge sort array 2. These are the index for left and this is for right. Now print sorted array. Here you can see this is for original and this is for sorted. So this is the time and space complexity. For best cases this one, for average cases this one, and worst cases for this one. Space complexity on. By temporary arrow are used in the merge step. That's why merge sort is not an place sort. When to use merge sort? When stability is required, same element maintain order. When you expect consist performance. When working with linked list, space not understood. When to avoid merge sort? When memory is limited. Okay, if in place sorting is needed. Again you can see merge function. Here n1 middle minus left plus 1. This is n2 right minus middle. Create temporary array L equals to 0 into list of 0 divided by n1 and list of 0 divided by n. For I in range n1 L index of left. Here you can see equals to array left plus 1 and j for j in range n2 rj equals to array middle plus 1 plus j. Here you can see I equals to j equals to 0 and k equals to left. Merge temporary array back into an array. Here you can see we are going to merge temporary array back into an array. So here we are going to apply while I is less than n1 and j is less than n2. If L of I is less than equals to R of j, then array k equals to L of I and I increase by 1. Else array of k equals to array of j and j increase by 1 and k is also increased by 1. Copy remaining element if I is less than n. Array of k equals to L of I and I increased by 1 and k increased by 1. While j is less than n2, array k equals to array of r of j. Both are increased by 1, j and k. And merge sort function array comma left right. If left is less than right, mid equals to left plus right divided by 2. And merge sort array left mid. This is for both half, this is for left, this is for right. Array mid plus 1 comma right. Merge sorted half. Here we are going to merging and return array. This is for example, this is for positive numbers. Array equals to 7 comma 4 comma 5. Sorry, 4 comma 3 comma 6 comma 1 comma 2 comma 5. Here you are going, I am going to printing original, and here we are going to print sorted part. This is for negative number and this is for positive number. Okay, so here we are going to print a negative number like this. So here this is the result for sorted and original element. Okay, bye bye, take care.